Hello. In this video, I'm going to show Odoo accounting features developed by Vista Solutions for your clients based on the gap analysis done on what Odoo has to offer out of box or what are features which are missing in Odoo, even in the enterprise version, and how we can add value for our clients. So their operations using Odoo will be much seamless and smoother. In this video, I'm going to show NSF Checks handling feature. We have developed this for version 11 enterprise version. It can be used for community instances as well. What is an NSF? NSF is a non-sufficient funds check returned by the bank due to insufficient funds in the customer account. So if you have an invoice, for example, paid, and we get this checks returned by bank, what do we do in Odoo? Generally in Odoo, we need to reverse the entry, and there's no audit trail as such. So looking at these gaps, we've developed this module. And what does this module actually does? In one step, it allows you to mark the payment as bounced, reverse the payment entry, change the invoice or invoices from paid to open state, reconcile the original and reversal entry. So we don't have open debits and credits for that customer, and charge the customer with additional fees. I'm going to go to Odoo now and show you. So I have an invoice which is created May 1st, and it was paid somewhere around 25th of May. Now, it's very important that we understand that there are chances that we get the notification of check being returned to us after the period is closed. So the reversal has to happen in the current period, not in the period where the payment was made. All I need to do is go to the payment, find the payment, go to the payment, and use this feature called bounce. You can see that the invoice right now is in a paid state. I go to bounce. Bank is going to charge us. We put the bank charges over here, specify which account it needs to go, and even charge the customer with our fees as per our policy. We're going to put $50 here. This again is going to go to an account we set up in the configuration. Once I confirm, you can see that the check, this payment has gone in the bounce state. There's nothing we can do about it now. It will remain in the bounce state. And if I go to the invoices, I can see the invoices now in an open state. If you have a new check, you can just go back to the invoice and register a new payment in the current date or the date that the check is paid. Going back, we can look into the journal entries, and in the journal entries, you can see the reversal entry which is created over here. The last step in this, I go to customer invoices. I can see a new invoice created for the customer, and this is for the bank charges. All I need to validate, and then follow up for this payment as well. So all in all, we have developed this feature to manage NSF checks. If you would like to know more or find out about more of our modules, please visit visasolutions.com. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.